Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz E300 4MATIC. This one is a sunlight gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels, sport styling on the exterior and interior. Black MB Tex interior with a black ash wood trim, sunroof, rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, clean set of all season floor mats, comfort box for extra storage, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, touchpad steering wheel controls, pedal shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 62,574 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mercedes-Benz E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.